We are an operations and strategy advisory firm, so we go into companies and we help them improve their day-to-day operations while planning for the future.
And I said I want to gut my organization and I want it to be built to last. So from the ground up, how do we change our operation? And our revenue was off. We were upside down in our ratios from the prior generation that was running the business. And what I was concerned with is how do we clean this up? And then we built a platform that you don't have to add people to add just because your sales are growing. We more than doubled our sales in 2 years.
Our guys are out every day working in plants, helping drive throughput, quality improvement, day to day on the shop floor. So our guys have run plants themselves, they've been presidents, plant managers, operations managers, so they've lived it, they've done it, and they're essentially in every day helping companies think differently, be more creative, and drive overall profitability. We know we can go in, we can talk and work directly with the CEO and walk out and know that they got it and they're making a difference in their business by implementing some of our ideas.
They've done three projects for us. Started out with a continuous improvement, and then we moved forward and now we're actually working on an inventory improvement project as well as implementing our ERP system. They're truly a professional group and they're very qualified. I think the individuals that work with the Harbour Results group are very qualified, very capable.
Usually our process starts with a 2-day assessment that we do, which basically looks at the entire business process from how you manage the business to how do you sell to how do you run the operation in your engineering organization. So we start with that standard assessment, which essentially creates a baseline for us. Where are you today and how positioned are you for the future? And then from that, we develop a longer-term roadmap. We look at the value stream and we talk about what areas do we need to spend our time focusing on improving throughput and putting in systems and processes to be better in our business.
We really feel like we've grown through the whole process. I think that the culture of the company has changed in positive ways. Our bottom line is starting to improve. Basically, our efficiencies are much better.
Because of Harbour Results, our business will be best in class. As a product development company, as a manufacturing company, just as a company in general. They provide such strong data points, and not just like what normal consultants do. They'll come in, they tell you what you have to do, like an armchair quarterback, and then they leave. They actually teach you the blocking and tackling, the fundamentals of how to do it.
Our focus is on driving results. We want to make sure that companies feel like at the end of the day, they have gotten an incredible value out of their time and effort with us, and that they can turn around and see on the bottom line that profitability is improving and it's sustainable long term. Our goal is to get in, work with them, and essentially get out and leave them with a sustainable business process.